Okay, so I've never done a reaction video to anything before, and somebody sent me a video and told me to do a reaction video to it. I said I don't do reaction videos because most of the stuff that people do these reaction videos to, the stuff is obscene, like, and I don't want to see that crap. Like people kept doing reaction videos to Two Girls One Cup. I wasn't gonna watch that. Somebody sent me something. Um, One guy, one screwdriver. I just, I dread. I'm dreading this video. I'm bracing myself for something horrible. So I'm about to watch this video. Here we go. What is going on? Oh, oh my god. Oh my god! 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 Oh my! That was horrible! Oh my god! I'm never, ever. He pulled the screwdriver out of his. That was nasty. I'm not gonna have you. Oh my god. That shit was horrible. He pulled the screwdriver out of his male area. Oh my god. Ah! I'm trying to compose myself from what I just saw because that was horrible. That was the most horrible thing I've ever saw. It's the most horrible thing I've ever seen. Oh my god. I'm I don't think I'm gonna link you guys to that because that's something I don't think you guys need to see. Okay, I'll put it down there, but I'm telling you, do not watch it. You will be disgusted. I'm gonna have nightmares. What? I'm gonna have nightmares. That shit was nasty. It, making my skin crawl. Okay, I'm done. Goodbye. I can't.